So welcome back, guys. Today we finally gonna upgrade the sound system in my E36, not 46 like I've said like 1,000 times before. Sorry for that. And we're gonna do it the same steps like we did at my friend's Volvo. So here we have two different speakers. Those are for the back and those are for the doors. And I'm not sure if there are more than just two, because I think it's actually four in the front, but I'm not sure. So we're gonna start with this, and it's gonna be two-part videos, so it's gonna come more. But this is the start, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. So the contact to the speakers, only the plus or positive one was too small from the OEM wiring, so we have to change that too. Hello? So here we realize that you can actually take down the frame for the speaker and then hang it up and then screw it from the top. Like you can see in the video, there are just two screws from the top, and that was a lot more easier on that side because it's much tighter on the right side. Across a little small problem. Those speakers in the door was very small, and I didn't order any speakers. And the second problem was the speaker in the front was much smaller than I thought. So those one I bought was too big, so I ordered more. So now we have solved that problem. So let's open this package. So I forget to show you guys the small speakers I bought too, but we're gonna open those later in the video, so you don't gonna miss that.
Can you bring it back to me, me, me? Bring it back to me, me, me. Bring it back to me, me, me. Bring it back to me, me, me. It's making me feel so.
I'm now done with the first door. It doesn't look so beautiful, but it's gonna serve its purpose. And make sure so you can roll down your window, so you not block the window mechanism. So yeah, let's tackle the next door.
I don't know where it is. Bring it back to me, me, me. Bring it back to me, me, me. Bring it back to me, me, me. It's making me feel so weak. It's making me feel so weak. Bring it back.
Live a little, that is what they said when you turn around and left for good. But the taste is bitter, lonely in my bed, keep thinking about what we once had. It's true, but it's hard to get over such a beautiful lie. When I still want you closer, I am longing for closure, and I'm wondering why. No matter what I do, I keep on falling for you. I keep on falling for you. I keep on.
Jag ligger över hela... Ah! Du brände mig. Ah, min tumme.
But it's hard to get over such a beautiful lie. When I still want you closer, I am lost.
So all speakers are on place, and I know it looks weird with the silver screws. I'm gonna change that to black one, and we have test run the sound system, and it sounds much better than it did before. And I wish I could show you the results, but yeah, it doesn't sound so great when you're filming. So I actually changed my mind. I'm gonna show a very short clip how it sounds. It's gonna be short because of royalty. That's why. But here it is. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video.
Girls with the nails done.